My name is S. Vansali. I am Regional Director INIT Gurukul, Ahmedabad. We started INIT Gurukul Ahmedabad in 2009 on 26th of August 1999. It's almost around 21 years now. Prior to that, I was working in corporates. I resigned as Senior Vice President Marketing Metro Tires Delhi. That is a 400 crore company selling automobile tires, looking after all India sales and marketing with a turnover of around 400 crores and through 65 branches network all over India. I resigned in 99 and started this unit for here. I was appointed as regional director for entire Gujarat, where I was looking after the 4 centers of INFD in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat, Rajkot, in which Ahmedabad center was mine. Rest all others are our franchise centers, which I was controlling from this place only.
Okay, sir. So
as far as the qualifications, so not related with the design. I being a management graduate, with post graduation in physics, so it's a totally irrelevant for that. But definitely doing very well in this field also.
Okay, so thank you for your introduction. I would like to ask you the question, sir. Being the regional director of INIFD Gujarat, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership styles?
That is all right. Since everywhere it is managing a team only, so it's a management of the team only. Here the team is definitely the faculties particularly, and we are managing it very well. So as the faculties over here are quite senior, few of the faculties are even 20 years also. So we are managing the team very effectively over here in Gujarat. That is why we have made a very good name over here.
Okay, sir. So, moving on to the next question, I would.
That is all right. Since I had prior to this, I had worked for around 20 years in marketing, and marketing as it changes on daily basis, particularly depending on the customer's needs and requirements. You have to definitely fulfill the customer demands only, and the demands are fulfilled. Demands are fulfilled in a various manner, and definitely it changes every day. Every year, it's a different marketing strategies are to be planned over.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I just wanted to have your views on this. So, you think that education sector in India and other foreign countries, they are very, where they are very different. And what can the student gain from studying at your institute?
I don't think it's much of the difference. Particularly in design education, it's not much of the difference because we have got the center at London also. INIT London is also there. So studies over here or over there, except for some technological more uses over there and international trains, which is definitely somewhat different from India also. Otherwise, even the education procedure is quite similar. We don't find much of the changes over here.
Okay, sir. So, okay. So, sir, how does the curriculum of INIFD ensures best practice in industry?
It's because every time, since on our panel, we have got all renowned designers also, like Manish Malhotra, then this Ashley Rebello, Rahul Mishra, not many ones. So everybody guides about the like market requirements on daily basis, or like the that is the reason, that is why we are able to update it like that. This is all updations are done on regular basis. The move secondly, like even on the from the industry's point of view also, we get lot many inputs also. So those inputs are always carried out in while making the or while updating the curriculum.
Okay, sir. So what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the institute and students are?
It's a like look for as far as the students are concerned, like you have to definitely be walk like a friend, philosopher, and guide to students. You have to be definitely like look, always feel empathetic and always feel yourself in their shoes only. Then and only then you can understand them very well, and you can easily solve out their problems.
Okay, sir. Sir, how could the institute could be more welcoming to the students of different races and different economic backgrounds?
That is all right. Like you have to definitely make a balance into that. Balance in particularly, we have to definitely make the fees very affordable to the middle class, because it's a whatsoever we are catering is a mass market. Since INFD is located at the even at the smaller places also, so that is why the fee structures are made like that, so that it is affordable to most of them. May be quite cheaper to the most affording people, but like it has to be made definitely affording to the middle class, which is the largest segment of the society.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I think, sir, we have already seen from past experience that the courses which is offered by INIFD or different fashion designing institutes, there's a very less number of applicants which are showing interest on these fields. So, sir, how can we tell the students to have, so that they can have more interest in this field, and what are the career prospects they have after they complete?
The best part of it, particularly, this leads to the self-employment. It's not more like particularly all the students who are coming over here with the acumen of starting self-employment, which is always a need of the country. It is not like no country can generate that many number of employments, but even the self-employed population is increased, and even one person is able to employ 2-3 persons. That is much more required in the present times. And we have got, since in INFD Gurukul Ahmedabad, we have got only girls students, and for girls this is an excellent self-employment opportunity which they can carry on even after the marriage also. They can start it from the home, they can start it at a studio like that. So that is the reason, that is why like this is becoming quite popular among the girls.
Okay, sir. Okay, very nicely answered. So, sir, moving on to the next question, I would like to ask you, what do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
Look, nowadays like things are changing so fast. You cannot make even a 10 years scale also now. It's very difficult. Every year it changes. Like there are not many challenges. Suppose this time it was Corona was a very big challenge, because the online education we had never done it over here. So like every day you face something new challenges. That is why like planning now for 10 years is absolutely not possible for anybody. It is just a statistics only. You can at the most plan for another 1-2 years, that's all. Because things changes very fast. Nobody was knowing that even like in design education, we have go some time for online education also. and that also then because of the power was there, so that is why we made the curriculum in such a way that we are completing the portions which can be done online during this lockdown period, and keeping all the practical portions for the for offline period starts, when the offline period starts for the classes.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, sir, what do you see some of the biggest challenges, both for higher education in general and when I talk about INIFD specifically?
No, I could not understand. Like, what are you telling?
Sir, I'm asking you, what are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for higher education in general and for INIFD specifically?
Look, like higher education in general, like definitely the fee affordabilities of the middle class. That is the biggest challenge over here. Like, and even the most of the institutes have made the fees definitely unaffordable for the middle class. And even educational loans also are not so easy. So that is educational loans has to be definitely promoted more what it was there about 15 years back by the banks. But banks are definitely like started reducing the education loan portfolio with them. So that is one bigger challenge what we feel. Otherwise, as far as the enthusiasm of the students is concerned, it is definitely there along with for the higher education. And for the even for the higher education, the trend now is definitely they are to go for uh, along with the it is almost like becoming a work permit kind of thing. What is there with overseas education? So over here also, they definitely wish to earn along with the education also, which is again becoming a difficult, particularly in a city, in a country like India, where we are not understanding such an hours working or kind of thing, which is definitely there overseas. If the student is working for 2 3 hours, it's not over here. It's either they have to work for the whole day, then they will be missing out the education. In case if they are occupied with the education, then they don't usually find the work for 2 3 4 hours just to survive.
Listen. So, sir, apart from if I'm talking about apart from Ahmedabad, if I talk, you have INIFD in Rajkot and all cities also. So, how you are getting the response there? So, sir, these kind of cities, how you are getting the response from students?
We are getting excellent response. We are getting excellent response at every each other places. That is not the issue. Responses are because we have like over the years, INFT has made such a big brand, particularly with their associations with Acme Fashion Week, London Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week. Then so that the students get the platforms over there, which is they can hardly get from any other institute in India. So that is one big point is with them. Another big USP is it's affordable fees. It's not like few of the institutes have definitely escalated fees like anything which is absolutely non-affordable to middle class segment. So this is again one reason. With the affordable fees, we are definitely giving them the very large platforms.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, the last question I would like to ask you, sir, any suggestions you would like to give to the current students who wants to wish to join the fashion industry?
The only thing is what they should definitely, unless they have got a true aptitude for fashion, should not come to this stage. And if they have got a real aptitude for this one, then remain focused. It is only the focus that can definitely, because in case if they have got the focus, they will have an excellent work with them. And if work is good, then they will be accepted everywhere.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you for your thought.